Welcome to this new video. This one is all about okra for your hair. As always, I love to share a little bit of dance to begin. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tumí. I'm a dancer, medical doctor, and poet, and I love to support people in living their healthiest and best lives. Let's get into it. Okra. Okra is something that I use whenever I have it on hand, internally but also externally, for skin and hair. We'll focus on hair in this video. I like to cut off the ends because they can be kind of grimy. And after that, I cut them up in small pieces and I pour water over that to extract its mucilaginous fluid within. You might find some YouTube videos, you probably will, in which the okra is cooked. I don't cook my okra because I'll explain to you in just a little bit why actually. So here you see me pouring the water in, and then I just let it sit for 2 hours. Once in a while I will come and agitate the water, and I just mean squeeze the okra a little bit to extract that beautiful slimy fluid that is so rich in nutrients. My little one today was really excited to get some okra treatment in his hair, so I was happy to comply. So here I am about 2 hours after the okra has been sitting, and you have two options. You can use a nut milk bag to strain, and I do have one in hand, but I just want to show you that I don't actually use this most of the time with okra. I just pour the liquid out. If you're not blending it, if you just let it sit, you can get out this gorgeous, again, slimy fluid out without getting a lot of particles, and skip yourself the nut milk bag step. But you can use it if you desire, but not needed is my point. And so now I'm going to apply the okra fluid, and I think this is a great point to just share with you some of the benefits of okra for the hair specifically. I'm taking down my chignon and giving myself a hair massage, a scalp massage, because I love to stimulate the scalp to open up the blood vessels of the scalp, and it just allows for the scalp to, I don't know what that was about. I think I was sharing something to my little one or my sweetheart, but it allows the scalp to soak in more of what you're about to feed it. And what are we about to feed it? Okra. 100 grams of okra contains about 50% of our recommended daily intake of vitamin K and almost a third of our recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, and this is why I don't cook okra, because vitamin C is very heat sensitive, and so you can lose the benefits of that antioxidant power by cooking it. Vitamin K is fantastic for the hair. It boosts circulation and supports hair growth. The okra seeds also are rich in linoleic acid, which is a polyunsaturated fatty acid that is so amazing as an emollient. It's a beautiful moisturizer for both the scalp and the hair. And there have been studies showing that linoleic acid can support hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. And it also has anti-inflammatory effects. If you have any issues with skin, scalp irritation, and inflammation, which could hinder hair growth, linoleic acid is fantastic for it. For all these reasons, okra is a beautiful plant medicine, plant support for beautiful hair and scalp, healthy hair and scalp. You may have seen me add a couple of drops of essential oil to the okra mixture. I love to do that, especially if you don't like the smell of okra. I don't mind it, but a little bit of lavender or ylang-ylang and never hurt the scalp. So I do that, and then after a generous application, I wrap it up. And then I also used a little bit of okra on my face because that vitamin C and linoleic acid also wonderful for the skin. So a little face mask. And this is me a few hours later. I actually changed the wrap because I had to run into town. And so I am taking off the wrap and heading into one of my favorite places to wash my hair, cleanse it out with Mama Nature. I have to walk through all that seaweed that you see so that I'm not diving into seaweed-laden ocean. But I finally found that and I go diving in. I love the salt water for cleansing my hair, but it can be very drying, which is another reason I love okra, to keep my hair moisturized in a healthy way and healthy and not breaking. So I dry my hair in the sun naturally, and this is the next day actually, so you can get a look of what the hair looks like. And yeah, I've had locks for almost 30 years at this point. I've cut them many times. As a dancer, I like to not have them so long, but I'm so grateful for how healthy they are, and that is definitely intention. It is my thoughts, it is my energy boundaries, it is the food I choose to eat, and it is definitely feeding my scalp and my hair topically healthy things from Mother Nature and not chemicalized products. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Definitely helps the channel as well. And if you're looking for more health tips and holistic health guidance from me, I invite you to sign up for my free health newsletter, which you can find on my website here. Much love to you. Take care.